sorry.
What's all that screaming outside? What a mess. You dropped a typewriter on her head. What do you think? Maybe you should sit down.
Sit down. I've just killed somebody, and I'm gonna spend the rest of my life in prison.
Fine, stand. It makes no difference to me.
I'm gonna call the police.
Kind of bad or really bad?
Oh my God, they're already here! They're looking up at my apartment. Oh my God!
Please, Mr. Stone, your language.
Mr. Stone, police department, open it.
Do I look like Jabez Stone?
You want to tell me how that window got broke?
What do you mean? Maybe you have the wrong apartment, gentlemen.
Right.